don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Dango. TV, it's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Colorado 0. I'm joined by Mtho.
Sibo, ngizothanda ukuthi mfethu ikhapuleni sihlezi 3650 days.
Sure.
Silinde ukuthi siwine iNetbank.
Sure.
So sicela abafethu masambe estradini sibiza ama champion. Ningathi Khosi kuphela.
Yeah.
Khosi champion. Santana abafethu. Unabi bafethu akunala yakhona. Unabi kumthathe 9 months ukuthi athathe le cup for iKaizer Chiefs. Ukompela uhlezi 112 games angawinanga nothing.
Yes.
So santana bafethu. Sicelani sinike umoya sikhona ukuthi coach lethu lihlale.
Unabi babangamvayisa ningayenza.
Unabi make hamba sizobona iplan. I think management inayo iplan ukuthi izoyenza kanjani if Unabi uyahamba.
Ngiyakubamba.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubamba. But mina mase ngisho nina njengama supporter.
Hayi thina sicela nje ukuthi if Unabi ahamba balanda uPitso. Le straightforward le.
Ngiyakuthola.
Sure, le straightforward le.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuthola.
Balanda uPitso nama plan yana ifonyana lapha ya. Yeah, le straightforward Steve.
Okay, man of the match Vanda.
Man of the match ngizoyinikeza uTLB. Ngizoyinikeza uTLB and at the same time ngizothanda ukubongela uRivero 79 wins for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Since akhona la eSouth Africa bafethu.
Yeah.
So ngimnikeza isandla salute kuRivero.
Danko Mtho.